How to get face masks on Snapchat BitMoji. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get a face mask on Snapchat BitMoji. First thing first, go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you have your Snapchat open, I'm going to show you how you can get mask for your avatar. Basically, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left. Then from there, you can edit your profile. You can do that by tapping on to your avatar. Then you'll find the selfie option over here. Tap on selfie. And to get a face mask, you can just scroll down and find different kind of selfies. You can get hard eyes, other stuff like headbands, different kind of filters. And right at the very bottom, you'll have your different face masks. Just select any one of them and then tap on done. If successfully selected and gotten the face mask option on Snapchat Bitmoji. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.